Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be learning a very interesting topic which is Python idles, interactive mode and scripting mode. By the end of this video, you will be knowing what Python idle is, its interactive mode, scripting mode, how we use them, also limitation of interactive mode, advantages of scripting mode, also the examples of them. Without wasting any time, let's begin with the introduction. IDLE stands for Integrated Development and Learning Environment. It has two different modes, interactive and scripting mode. Before learning about this interactive and scripting mode, let's know more about IDLE. What is IDLE? IDLE is Python's official integrated development and learning environment. It provides a user-friendly interface to write codes, also execute the programs. You do not need any extra installations or any setups for having them. It's very easier to use both in the colleges and in the industry. Now I'll show you how this Python IDLE is installed. For installing the Python idle, go to your usual browser and type Python IDLE. You'll get the result, and in the first option, you'll get to see the Python www.python.com. Just click into it, and you'll get to see the download option. And just download it, and you will have it in your system. Now let's learn about Python's interactive mode. In this interactive mode, you can write a small code and get a quick result. It is idle for you for getting immediate results and also for experimentation, which is convenient for the beginners. Now let me show you how this Python's interactive mode is used in idle. After installing idle, you will just click it and you will get to see this page which is used for interactive mode. Now let me write a short code to show you as an example. Y equal to 660, z equal to add them. Oh, let's bring this set. As you can see, I wrote a smaller code and got an immediate result. So that's how the interactive mode works. As we saw earlier, we launched the idle app, and then the interactive mode was already there by the default. We also wrote a small code and got an immediate result. Now, let me show you an example which was almost the same as mine. Just change the numbers. So that's how the interactive mode works. Now let's see the limitations. We cannot use this interactive mode for writing any kind of program because we can't use the functions and script. They are just used for writing snippet codes and to get an immediate result. Now let's get to know what is scripting mode is. Scripting mode allows you to write and execute Python code, also store them in a file. It is ideal for developing larger programs, also save them for the future. They're also organized and can be maintained. Now, how the scripting mode is used. I'll be telling you this in advance because we'll get to see, because it's quite different from the interactive mode. We'll click the file in the default where we saw the interactive mode, and then we'll open the new file. There we'll get to see and page where we'll be writing the code. Rachel will run the code, also run in the while running will enter the run module and get to see the results. Now let me show you how this exactly works. Well, I opened a fresh page. Now let's begin with the scripting mode. Here you can see a file option. Now just click the new file and you get this page. This is where we run the scripting mode. Now let me write in program with function so that you'll get to see the difference. Here you can also do the same program. You will get the same result. Won't be a problem. Same program in this sense as we did in the interactive mode. So I'll return a plus b. Let me give some values x equal to 30. Let me give y equal to some 50. Then z equal to underscore numbers. I have not written the comma y. Then in the z. Now let's see the result and module. For this, you're supposed to save it. Let me save it as idle something. Idle. Save. Let's see. So you can see we got the result as 80. So that's how the scripting mode works. So here's the same example that I used earlier. It was literally the same, just I changed the numbers, and that's how we got the answer. Let us see its advantages. The scripting mode enables writing structured, reusable codes by using functions or any models or classes. They allows developers to work on larger products like that. As I said earlier, they're used in both industries, also for working in various uh, places. They're easy to also maintain. Also, they're convenient for sharing. Now, let me conclude this video by saying that Python Idle provides both interactive mode and scripting mode. Interactive mode is used for getting quick results, whereas scripting mode is used for developing larger programs in various industries. We use this both amazing modes of Idle for our Python experience. So that's how they are helpful. I would recommend you guys to use it too. And thank you so much for watching the entire video.